the potential of the relationship for everyone to like. I'm in protest place for your Tavatamil and P Tamilas that are talking. In India, the size of the farm, the struggle for the wild. The reason for three of the agriculture amendments in which the merits and demerits of the Indian citizen as an ordinary citizen in the eyes of other to rise the benefit of the entire the federal government as a question to ask which is the degrees of the fault by point out the very good make. This amendment to the struggle for the cause of the minimum support price, which means the MSP, which is about a place in the Act amendment the to specify the slideshow. It is the largest democracy of the agriculture petroleum. Moreover, the law was passed without urgent lying and the struggle was to be lost in fear and credibility. If farmer do not earn money, we will not have money in our pocket. 50 to 60% of the farmer buy the goods when they get cash. Professional items are purchased, many other items are purchased. I can all be good only if the farmer is good. Whenever agriculture is good in India, GDP is good. The government has not been able to make anything more. Farmers are the foundation of India. Agriculture is the backbone of India. Farmers need to be balanced to develop India. But I warn you that this is the law is creating a disadvantages. Why should you warn me? If you have realized earlier, the risk is less. Everyone must fight against the agriculture law. If not, put at least one post on social platform against the agriculture law. I am saying for our own benefit, this agriculture law is bad for the people of India. Let me tell you about the three law. Listen, the first law, the Farmer Produce Trade and Comments Promotion and Facilitation Ordinance 2020. India is an agriculture country, 60 to 80% of the agriculture population. All that the government has managed for the last 10 years has been given to the private sector. The minimum support price was obtained by the existing law. State revenue also increased due to taxation. State ownership and revenue will go away if you abandon the old practice of selling poor farmers' property in the presence of the officer and get right to the first agricultural law. Already, the state ownership has gone through GST, 50% to the central government and 50% to the state government. You have no money for any natural calamities or new project. You reply to the RBI to get a loan. 12,500 Tamil Nadu money is yours when you do not give the same. Your first law is the foot of the farmer and the state government in India. The second law, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Bill Service 2020. Contract farming come with one. 86% of small farmers in India. Small farmers do not contract with the biggest companies. What will happen? Walmart, PepsiCo, Reliance Press, Adani Group asked for a lower price than the cost of production when they bought the market. Will the farmers do agriculture again? Example, the Gujarat Chips Company may have contract with many farmers, but the company refused to buy the product due to the lack of image, quality. What about the farmers? Can any farmers go to court and argue against big companies? The farmers will be affected by the contract. If we do not get the product we need, big companies will make a profit. What is our position? Think. Then the third law, the Essential Commodities Amendment Ordinance 2020. Currently, the 7 products are planned as essential medicines under the Essential Commodities Act 1955. The Essential Commodities Act 1955 was enacted to ensure the availability of essential commodities to consumer and the product them for being exploited by dishonest traders. Now that the law has been amended, the big companies starting to post this. The public is the problem of as everyday life. Yours sincerely, I am all human to realize that human rights and livelihood will be affected by this law. I ask the central government to repeal this law to remove the shortcoming in the laws. Finally, I am talking To you now, Tavatamilan P. Tamilarasan, NIG Foundation founder and president, Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. Thank you. Jai Hind.